Hello everyone, welcome to Clear Funda Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to install NVM in our local machine or laptop. Before we start installing process, first we will try to understand what is NVM, why we need it, and what is the full form of NVM. Full form of NVM is node.js version manager. From name, it's very clear that it manages the node version. We can have multiple node versions in our machine and that can be managed using node version manager. But why we need this? I will give you one example. Let's say you are working in two different projects where we need two different node versions. Let's say in one project you need 12.00 and in another project you need 14.00, because depending upon the application we need different node.js. So that's why we install different node.js. Let's say you are working in one project where you need 12. You install the 12 version and you continued your work, you completed your task. Now you are moving to another project where we need 14 version. What you do, you uninstall or you upgrade from 12 to 14. And if you have to switch back to 12, it becomes a very tedious task. To manage this thing, we need NVM. Using NVM, our task become very easy to maintain multiple node version. Let's start installing. So first of all, I will check whether I have already installed node version or not. Okay, nvm. Hopefully it is clear to everyone. nvm -v. Using this command we can check which version is installed. If there is no version installed, then it says that command not found nvm. It means we don't have nvm installed in our machine. Okay, you can go to GitHub repository and you can find the curl command, and using that curl command you can install nvm. This is the site you need to visit, and I will add this URL in the description so that you can use this URL and to find the curl command. I will also add the curl command so that you can run the command. Okay, so just copy this curl command, open your terminal, and then just search and hit this URL. In few seconds your nvm get installed, and now we need to run the last command to complete the installation process, to set this path into the system. So now the nvm installation has been completed. Clear it now and you can see nvm -v has installed nvm 0.39.1 version. We have command to check the version which we have already used. We have node install command. So using that one you can install the latest command of latest version of node. So let's say you are running this command and it has started installing node 17.4.0. This is the latest version of node which is being installed, and it has been installed also now. So let's check the version node p. You can see the 17.4.0 has been installed when we run this command. Okay, so if you want to use this command, then you can run nvm use 17.4.0, and you can see here it shows we are now using 17.4.0 version. let's say we want to install some other version of node. So, and let's say I want to install the LTS version. So what we need is that we need to run this command, nvm install --LTS, and you need to enter this. It will start installing the last LTS version 16.13.2. so both the versions are now available in my laptop, 17.4 as well as 16.13.2. How to check all the versions? So for that we need to run this command nvm list, and you can see I have both the node versions are available. So if your projects need 16 version, then you can switch to 16. If you need 17, then you can switch to 17. Let's say I want to switch to, so when we install an LTS version, then automatically we are now using 16. And if we have to switch, then again, as I said, we can use nvm use 17.4.0, and now we have started using this version, node version 17. If you have to switch back again to your previous version, then you can switch to 16.13.2. you don't have to remember the version to switching back. By using the nvm list, you can get the list of all the versions which are available in your machine, and then you can switch easily. And now you can see this version has been used now. So let's check whether it is being used or not. So how to check? Use nvm v. You can see we are using this version. So like that we can switch easily one version to another version, and this make your task very easy. Okay, so hopefully you have found this command and the curl URL very useful. Why? Because many times whenever I work, I don't find the right command or right curl URL to install nvm, and that's why I have made this video. Let's move to the next slide, and in this we have a few commands to uninstall nvm. If you copy all three commands, and if you will paste in your terminal, then you can see your nvm has been uninstalled. To check nvm has been uninstalled or not, let's rerun the command nvm -v. You can see still we are seeing this command 0.39.1. so why we are getting this? Because we need to close this terminal and we need to reopen, and then only it will show whether it is still existing or not. Close it and you can open it, a new terminal, and you can check nvm -v, and you will not find any node version. If you are checking a node nvm, so no nvm and no node version are existing in my machine now. So you don't have to uninstall individually each node version. If you are uninstalling nvm, then automatically your node versions will be uninstalled as well. So that is all about nvm and node.js. Thank you very much for watching the video, and hopefully you have found this video helpful. So share with your friends so that they can also learn. Take care.